see, I know. Treadmill. Doesn't seem to fit in a sewing room, but let me tell you, I am so excited to unbox this because this is exactly what I need to go with my sewing addiction. Let me tell you what this is. This is a Treadmill TM020. This treadmill comes with an incline. It has a little desk for my laptop. It is perfect for walking and jogging. You know, sometimes when you're sewing and you're like, oh, I really need to take a break, but I don't really want to go outside because I don't want to get all sweaty because I want to get back into sewing. Or I really want to jog, but I want to watch TV while I'm doing it. Or I want to crochet while I'm walking on my walking pad and getting some exercise. Or I want to, whatever it is, whatever kind of craft you do, sometimes, let me tell you a little secret. I'm really looking forward to this. When I get upset because I have to seam rip and you want to take that frustration on something, how about a walk while you're seam ripping? How cool is that? I'm excited about it. Let's get into this box. I'm going to tell you all the details about it. You need it. I need it. We all need it. All right, let's open it up. I will tell you who else is super excited about this. My son. He's been eyeing it and wanting to use it. He keeps saying, Mom, let's open it up. So I'm opening it up. Let me just tell you, they box it up real nice. All taped up and ready to go. He wants to try it out. I wanted to show you a close-up of what it comes with. It's got the little remote. It's got the little wrenches to put it all together and the little bottles with lubrication. Batteries for the remote. The little thing that you attach to it so that you can clip it to yourself in case you're, falling down or something. Different size risers to change the height. The plug-in. And this is a little mat, like it's, how do you explain it? Like it's got that non-slip little film on it. So that way you can put a book on there or your pad or whatever. It comes with your manual, which I'm gonna look at so I can know how to set it all up. And it comes with this board little thing for a workstation. So that way, if you want to use it to put your laptop on, or you want to put your whatever you want to put on there, your crafts, you put it right on there. So nice. All right, so let's talk about this beautiful thing. Look at how compact it is. I can grab this and move it by lifting it up. It's got wheels in the front, so I can move it around anywhere I want to. If I want to put it underneath one of my sewing tables, I can just go ahead and slide it right underneath one of my sewing tables, which is probably where it's going to live. So then we're just gonna prop it down and we can lift up the bar. We're gonna grab our cord, power cord, plug it in. Once it's plugged in, we just turn it on and it's gonna beep at us. The reason why it's beeping is because it wants you to connect your safety strap. There's a little thing right here. And then you can just clip that onto your belt and you're ready to go. We're gonna get started. I'm gonna start it at speed of 3. So we're gonna push start, 3, 2, 1, go. And it starts at speed of 1 and I can switch it to speed of 3 if I want to right away. Well, let's come and check it out because he wants to go on a walk with me. He says, Mom, why would you rather do this than go on a walk with me, right? And then you can go up higher than that. Speed of 6. You can tilt this bar up, so it helps me. I like that you can have different speeds. It goes pretty fast actually, or you can just do it as walking. What I'm really going to use is the feature of the walking feature. And I love that it comes with a little tray that I can place right here and a little stand. And I can place my laptop. I can place my laptop or any of my crochet or what I'm stitching or what I'm doing, any kind of project I'm working on, right on it, and I can get to walking. Now, because of the fact that the laptop is right here, I can't see my pad, but not to worry, I have a remote. So let's click this on and let's start with my remote. 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. And I can be walking while I'm doing my work. This is pretty fun. I can get used to this. Now, another thing that I really like is the fact that it can be inclined, and that's also really easy to do. It comes with 3 different size incline feet, kind of, is what I would call them. And what you do, you just tilt it over and you fit the incline feet where they belong, the size that you want to incline, and you're ready to walk on an incline, which is kind of what I really like. I like the incline. All right, comment below and let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this little show of my new walking pad. Check it out. The link is in the comments and in the info box below. I have a discount code for you, so I'll add that. And yeah, getting a little bit of my steps in while I'm in my sewing room still. So much fun. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.